Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix mobile menu when we expand or click on it, then WordPress menu show behind content in mobile layout in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On desktop layout all good. Now go to mobile layout. Now expand menu. You don't see menu appear behind this content or page layout, so we are going to fix it. So you can fix it by using z index value. So our current z index value of mobile menu is less than our page content, so we are going to increase z index value. If you want, you can increase it using custom css. So this is our container. Now go to design and we are going to add z index value. Now you see z index, so you can add that index value higher than your content. So we are going to add it. Now edit and then click on save and then click on update. Now update done. Go to mobile layout, refresh the page. Now expand mobile menu again. Now you see content, mobile menu appear. Now close, again open. Now you see our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.